Have you ever experienced the feeling where everything around you fades away and you become completely immersed in a task? Your mind sharpens, ideas flow coherently, and time seems to pass faster than usual. This is not a supernatural power, but rather flow, the state of ultimate focus that geniuses like Elon Musk, Michael Jordan, and Albert Einstein have utilized to achieve extraordinary success. The amazing thing is, flow is not their exclusive privilege. It's a skill anyone can learn and practice. This video will help you explore the state of flow, understand why you haven't achieved it yet, and learn how to apply flow to not only keep up, but also surpass most people in life. Flow, according to Mihaly Csikszentmihalyi, is a state where you are fully immersed in your work, forgetting time, space, and even yourself. It's the moment you achieve your highest performance, experience breakthrough creativity, and feel deep joy from what you're doing. This state is important because it not only helps you complete tasks faster, but also brings satisfaction and a sense of mastery over life. Those who achieve flow not only work efficiently, but also turn their work into an inspiring experience. Elon Musk, with his packed schedule, always breaks his work into 5-minute time blocks, helping him maintain intense focus. Michael Jordan, during games, described feeling as though everything around him slowed down, leaving only him, the ball, and the basket. This shows that flow not only leads to exceptional results, but also helps you feel fulfilled, enjoy your work, and unlock your personal potential. Although flow has great power, not everyone can easily achieve this state. The biggest barriers often come from distractions, inefficient work methods, and an unsuitable environment. Below are common reasons that prevent you from entering flow. 1. Distractions from technology and the living environment. Smartphones, social media, and constant email notifications make you lose focus. Research shows that each time you're interrupted, it takes an average of 23 minutes to return to a focused state. 2. Lack of clear goals. Many people start their work without knowing exactly what they want to achieve. This makes it easy to lose direction and impossible to focus deeply enough to achieve flow. 3. Imbalance between skills and challenges. If the task is too easy, you'll feel bored. If it's too hard, you'll feel pressured and anxious. Flow only happens when there's a balance between these two factors. 4. Multitasking habits. Doing multiple things at once prevents you from fully immersing yourself in any task. Constantly switching between tasks reduces efficiency and destroys the flow state. 5. Lack of immediate feedback. Without timely feedback from your work, you'll lose motivation and won't know how you're progressing. Imagine you're working on an important report. Just as you begin, a notification from social media pops up on your phone. You spend a few minutes scrolling, then try to return to work, only to be interrupted by a colleague. When you continue, you realize the report's goals are unclear, leaving you struggling to figure out where to focus. Time passes, pressure builds, and you open multiple documents to look for ideas, but end up getting drawn into unrelated information. By the end of the day, your work is only half done, leaving you feeling exhausted and disappointed. Achieving the flow state isn't a random stroke of luck, but the result of preparation and practicing the right habits. Flow emerges when you create an ideal environment, work with clear goals, and maintain intense focus. To achieve this, you can take the following steps. First, identifying clear goals is a prerequisite. A specific goal helps you focus on the desired outcome and eliminate irrelevant factors. Instead of just saying, finish the task, set a more detailed goal like, write 3 pages of the report by 3 p.m. The more specific the goal, the easier it is to achieve deep focus. Next, choose tasks that match your skill level. Flow only occurs when the task is just challenging enough to engage you, but not too overwhelming. If the task is too easy, you'll feel bored. If it's too hard, you'll quickly lose motivation. Ensure the task is reasonably divided, creating just enough challenge to keep you interested and committed. To maintain focus, you need to eliminate distractions. Create a quiet workspace, organize your desk, and turn off notifications from your phone or social media. Every interruption costs time and energy to return to a focused state. Applying the Pomodoro technique, working for 25 minutes, then resting for 5 minutes, can help you maintain focus and sustain energy throughout the process. Another important factor is seeking immediate feedback from your work. When you know you're on the right track or need to make adjustments, you'll stay motivated. For example, while writing a report, regularly check each section to ensure quality, or quickly seek input from colleagues if needed. Additionally, to fully immerse yourself in work, focus on the present. Let go of thoughts about outcomes or pressure from other tasks. If you feel distracted, a few minutes of meditation or deep breathing can help restore balance and concentration. Finally, find joy in your work. View tasks not just as responsibilities, but as opportunities to grow. Motivate yourself by setting small rewards after completing a task or turning the task into a fun game. For example, create a list of tasks and try completing them in the shortest time possible to challenge yourself. Flow can be achieved if you know how to prepare and adjust. When you apply these steps correctly, you'll not only improve performance but also experience deep satisfaction from your work. Flow is not just a key to completing tasks, but also opens the door to creativity and sustainable success. Flow isn't just for work, but can also be applied to all aspects of life, from studying and sports to personal activities and communication. At work, you can trigger flow by setting specific goals, breaking tasks into smaller parts, and eliminating distractions. In studying, focusing on small topics, setting time limits, and avoiding distractions will help you learn more effectively. In sports, choose goals that match your abilities and focus on each movement and breath to enhance performance. Creative activities like painting, playing music, or writing can also bring about flow when you're fully immersed in the details. Even in communication, flow appears when you listen and connect deeply with others. Michael Phelps maintained flow by focusing intensely on each swimming stroke and eliminating all distracting thoughts, helping him win numerous gold medals. Similarly, you can achieve flow in life by focusing on the present, finding joy in each activity, and maintaining a balance between challenge and skill. Flow not only makes you more effective, but also brings deep satisfaction and complete meaning to everything you do. Flow isn't just a psychological concept, but a tangible experience you can clearly feel. In my personal view, flow helps me overcome stressful workdays and achieve results beyond expectations. Eliminating distractions, setting clear goals, and breaking tasks into smaller parts are simple yet effective ways to activate this state. Successful people like Elon Musk or Michael Jordan are not different because they have unique abilities, but because they know how to utilize flow to maximize their potential. Flow not only improves performance, but also brings satisfaction and a sense of mastery over life. Flow isn't a distant state, but a skill anyone can cultivate. By setting clear goals, eliminating distractions, and finding balance in your tasks, you can work more efficiently and enjoy a more meaningful life. Start with small steps today to make flow a natural part of your life and move closer to your biggest goals.